Hey everyone, how's it going today? I'm so glad you could join me. Today, we're diving into a super interesting topic, hot dog cart profit margins. Now, I know what you're thinking, hot dog carts, really? But trust me, there's a lot more to this business than meets the eye. Let's start with the basics. First up, we're talking about average annual revenue.
So, what's the average annual revenue for a hot dog cart? Well, it can range from $60,000 to $150,000. That's a pretty big range, right? But wait, under equal conditions, a well-managed cart typically earns around $50,000 a year. Now, think about that. $50,000 from a cart. That's not bad at all. And here's the thing, these carts are usually in high-demand areas across most countries. So, the demand is there, and the earnings can be competitive compared to other small cart businesses.
Now, let's move on to the factors that influence hot dog cart income. There are a lot of variables here, but let's break them down. First, location. Location is everything, right? High-traffic areas like downtown, parks, and events are gold mines. Why? Because more people mean more potential customers. Proximity to offices, schools, and public transport also boosts footfall. Imagine being near a busy office building during lunchtime. You'd have a steady stream of hungry workers, right?
But location isn't the only thing. There are other factors too, like extended operating hours. If you stay open later, you can capture more customer segments, maybe people leaving work or those out for a late-night snack. Then there's the menu. Selling beverages, soda, coffee, bottled water can increase revenue way more than just selling hot dogs. And don't forget about toppings and specialty options. Diverse toppings, different sizes, or even unique hot dogs like chili dogs or veggie dogs can attract a broader range of customers.
Oh, and let's not overlook marketing efforts. Even a small cart needs to get the word out. Maybe social media posts, flyers, or just a friendly smile and a good reputation. Then there's the weather. Rainy days? Probably not great for business. But sunny days? Perfect. Seasonal fluctuations matter too. Summer is usually busier than winter. And competition. If there are 5 other hot dog carts on the same block, you might have to work harder to stand out. Now, let's talk about profit margins. The typical profit margin for a hot dog cart is between 50% and 70%. That's really high, isn't it? But why? Well, let's think about the costs. Ingredients are relatively cheap: hot dogs, buns, condiments. Labor? If you're running the cart yourself, you don't have to pay someone else. Equipment maintenance is minimal compared to a restaurant. Permits are a cost, but they're usually a one-time or annual fee.
But wait, how do you calculate profit margin? The formula is total revenue total costs divided by total revenue multiplied by 100%. Let's take an example. Suppose your total revenue is $1,500 and your total costs are $500. So, $1,500 $500 is $1,000. Divide that by $1,500 and you get 0.6667. Multiply by 100% and that's 66.67% profit margin. That's impressive! So that's all for today's podcast. I hope you found this information useful, and if you're thinking about starting your own cart, I wish you all the best. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but with the right plan, you can make it a success. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.